been transformative, and I really mean that. It has been a trip of a lifetime.
Did you guys have any fun on this
Oh my God. Did we
That's
have
the
any
first
fun?
question.
Well, it was
Obviously.
yes is the answer. A definite yes.
This has been a bucket list trip for me for, I mean, that list has probably been going 40 some years of going to France and going antiquing in France, and to have all these experiences like making pottery and cooking classes from a French woman. It far exceeds any expectation that I had, and it's been so much fun.
How can I take this all with me, put it in my suitcase, and bring it back?
The number of pictures I've already taken and sent to clients and been like, we're doing this. I know we're doing this. There's so much inspiration that will come home with me and you will be seen in projects in the future.
Be able to stay in the environment that you've chosen for us really added so much to the journey, because the days were full and you're seeing so many beautiful things, and then to be able to come back to that wonderful retreat and relax and enjoy good food, more good wine with an amazing group of people. I mean, staying at the chateau just kind of brought everything together at the end of the day.
And there's no detail left unthought about. So everything from the rooms to your gift basket to, you know, how the dinner table is set, everything is so beautiful and well curated.
The antiquing was amazing, but the food and the wine.
It's a bespoke experience because I travel a lot, and this is definitely beyond what an individual travel agent would ever offer you.
Yeah.
And on top of it, you're in this beautiful group setting with, you know, women of different walks of life.
Absolutely 100% recommend it to a friend. This was a trip of a lifetime for me. I would have never done this before. And I think it was at the right place in my life where traveling alone for the first time, I mean, if any trip was going to be the right trip, this was it.
Not only did we have a beautiful space, but for me, the women that came along, it was just so magical. Everything was magical.
And hands down, this is one of the best trips I've ever been on.
I was completely blown away from the moment we arrived to every day was a little bit different, a different journey, another visual journey, interesting places, everything from the morning to soup to nuts. It was just absolutely fantastic. I can't say enough good things about it.